So I was sent this watercolor paint set by the brand for my honest review, and what I really like about it right out of the box is that it is tin. So it's not plastic, and it does have this locking mechanism. So if my 3-year-old were able to get a hold of it, he's not going to be spilling paint or doing anything without me catching him first, of course. So when you open this up, I also liked that it came with this little color guard. So you can kind of see what colors it offers in this pack. And there are so many colors to choose from. Like, look at these beautiful hues. I am obsessed. And then it also comes with this little note card. It's a cardboard material. So if you wanted to paint on this to make sure you're getting the color that you want. And then it comes with a sponge, a little marker, paintbrush, and then I don't know if you've seen these before, but you can like put paint inside the paint pen. It almost gives you that brush texture. So if, like my oldest daughter, she's 13, she is very crafty and she loves to do intricate things, this would be perfect for her. And these are all solid until you get them wet. And I just love how organized this would be. I would let this sit out and dry before you close it, but it's all in one piece. So if you were traveling, genius, nothing's going to spill out because of this lock. I love it. I highly recommend.